Hello, welcome back to everyone. See this problem. So this is a problem on node analysis and asking that how to calculate voltage V0 across resistor 4 kilo ohms. So here three branches are there. So in first branch there is voltage source 30 volts with series 2 kilo ohm resistor. In second branch 20 volt source with series 5 kilo ohm resistor. In third branch there is a load that is 4 kilo ohms. So across this, how can you calculate the voltage drop V0? So this is the problem. So by recalling the properties of current in KCL, so from source 1 certain current was coming, from source 2 certain current was coming. So that two currents was entering into the load that is 4 kilo ohms. So let's consider this is the current in the first branch is I1 and here I2. So that is equal to the current in the 4 kilo ohms. So that is I1, here I2 and here I3 current. So I1 having source current and I2 also source current. The source current that's equal to current in the load. Now how can you find the here I1? So in this the upper potential is 30 volts and lower potential is V0 here. So that means 30 minus V0 by 2 kilo ohms. According to Ohm's law, V by R is the current and voltage is nothing but 30 volts and there is a voltage V0 at this point. So higher potential minus lower potential, that is the voltage in 2 kilo ohms by resistance. It gives current I1. Now similarly I2, 20 volts minus lower potential, that is V0 by resistance 5 kilo ohms. So that is 20 minus V0 by 5 kilo ohms. So that is equal to current in I3. So in the third branch, the voltage is V0 and resistance is 4 kilo ohms. So V0 by 4 kilo ohms, nothing but I3. So V0 by 4 kilo ohms are equal to I3. Now we got equation from the case here. Now simplify this, we will get V0 value because in this equation only one variable is there, that is V0 only. Here LCM is 10k. So 2k goes with 5 times. So 5 into 30 minus V0 plus next 5k, 10k goes with 2 times, but 2 into 20 minus V0, that is equal to V0 by 4k. Here kk cancel per kilo. So it becomes 530, 150. So 150 minus 5 V0 plus 40 minus 2 V0 by 10, that's equal to V0 by 4. Now cross multiply it, we will get, so before cross multiply, simplify this term, it becomes 150 plus 40, 190. So 190 minus 5 V0 minus 2 V0, nothing but minus 7 V0 into 4, that's equal to next 10 V0. So it becomes 190 into 4. So minus 7 into 4 V0, that's equal to 10 V0. So bring this term to the right hand side and it becomes 190 into 4, that's equal to 10 V0 plus 7 into 4 V0. So V0 is common and brings 190 into 4 upon 10 plus 7 into 4, that's equal to V0. So by simplifying this, we will get V0 equal to 20. So this is the output voltage across 4 kilo ohms. So this is the required value for the given problem and this is the process of node analysis, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, thanks.